Hi, I'm Danish.
Hi, my name is Arham. Hi, my name is Asfa.
Hi, my name is Nabil Airin.
This is the first Newton law. The example, if we brake, the body will move forward. Okay? One, two, three. Okay. This is Newton's second law, which is acceleration. If you put more pressure on the ball, the acceleration of the ball will be increased, such as this. This is the first try. The second try will be more harder. And the third try. Okay, let's go to our last today, which is the Newton's law. The Newton's law means every action with equation and